The combination of the blowbill pigeons to the Kearse Bourgeois pigeons is a great combination in my opinion. My blowbill pigeons kept on getting better through the years. I've modernized them, and every time I put a new champion strain to it, it seems to work well. This blue checker hen is a 2020 hen I bred. She's from the blowbill pigeons to the Kearse Bourgeois pigeons, and this is a fantastic hen. We raised her over a time of 3 years. She constantly flew top union positions, and to crown her racing career, she won as the Pretoria Union from Reddersburg, approximately 500 kilometers, on a proper race. It was just over 1,000 velocity. Now, I'm always focusing on how a pigeon handles and how I strive for the perfect pigeon. Now, just look at this hen again. She's medium of size, but she's a real bullet. This is a fantastically balanced hen. She has got a great aerodynamic shape, the broad shoulders. She's got a beautiful pearl eye, great muscles, high sitting vents. It's just what I strive for. And once again, like I say, this hen was a racing machine with the highlight of her career, winning the Pretoria Union over 500 kilometers from Reddersburg. So I know there's pigeons that doesn't handle great and do win, but I just like it when near perfection comes into play. And this hen is pretty close to it. We've put her to stock, and we'll see this year how the babies go. But this is a real beauty. A typical blowbill pigeon, that longish head. This is a real stunner. I hope that her babies is going to replicate her performances. Have a brilliant day.